rock cycle. The rock cycle is a very slow process and is looking at the formation and degradation of rocks over time. Igneous rock forms directly from magma. There are two main types of igneous rock. We have basaltic and granitic. Basaltic rock tends to be dark in color, high in iron, magnesium, and calcium, and forms a lot of the oceanic crust. It is high in silicon, aluminum, potassium, calcium, and it mostly makes up the continental crust. There are two ways that igneous rock can be formed. We have intrusive and we have extrusive. Let's take a look at each of those. Intrusive forms within the earth. So as the magma rises and cools, it cools in place and becomes intrusive igneous. Extrusive igneous rock forms from when rock solidifies above the Earth's crust. And this is volcanic eruptions and seafloor spreading. Extrusive tends to have finer grains of rock because there's little time for that rock to expand because it cools so quickly. Igneous rock, because it is formed directly from magma, brings up rare earth metals to the surface that we as humans can exploit. As the rock cools, it can form cracks called fractures. Then as water is filtering through, it can dissolve the metals, and the metals will precipitate out of solution in those fractures and create what's called veins. Then we have sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock is formed from smaller particles being compressed together. So we can have mud, sands, and gravels that are all compressed that can then form a sedimentary rock. It can be mostly mud and be mudstone, it can be mostly sand and be sandstone, or it can be a mixture of these other rocks creating a sedimentary rock. The fossil record is found in sedimentary rock. And lastly, we have metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is rock that has been subjected to very high pressures and temperatures. The pressure and temperature then physically and chemically change the rock. These rocks tend to be very strong. Two examples would be slate and anthracite. Anthracite is a type of coal. And that is the rock cycle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.